February hogs closed moderately lower on the day after a higher start. And in fact, it closed directly on top of the 50-day moving average, placed at 71.10. That was the close of the hogs. That's also where that 50-day moving average is. A lot of times we'll close near things like that, not always directly on top of them. So that will probably leave technical traders maybe with more questions than answers here at the end of the day, as it is a very neutral close there for the hogs, even though slightly lower on the day. Which, by the way, closed higher. Obviously, with the lower close, that means it closed above the 50-day moving average yesterday. So for the fact that there wasn't follow through the upside may be seen as a little bit of a negative. But then again, the close directly on top of it really, again, makes you kind of scratch your head a little bit and will make Friday an interesting trading day, especially for your technical traders. Now, from a fundamental perspective, the hog weights, average hog weights, are down about 1.8 pounds from the last week. That is a direct reflection of the very bitter temperatures and snow and winter storms that we've been having. And lower weights are the trend basically from here into the early summer time frame. But we are still up about 1.3 pounds over and above last year. So that those bigger weights, bigger year-over-year weights do mean that there is a bit more production, a bit more product to be had up front. So there is more animals to be chew through, no pun intended, or maybe, but there is that. So that is a little bit of a negative factor that has been weighing on the market. And again, we are at lower prices somewhat because of that. Pork cutout values, however, are rebounding. They are the highest they've been since late November. If that trend continues, that will add to packers' margins and might encourage a bit more of a aggressive hog slaughter, which could lend itself to some higher prices and possibly higher cash prices, and possibly lead futures a little bit higher as well. So keep an eye on that. Again, weekly export sales, which are generally on Thursday, are delayed till Friday this week. That is because of the Monday holiday. On weeks where we have Monday holidays, they push back export sales for 1 week. Otherwise, I'd be updating you on that, but you'll have to pay attention for what happens tomorrow morning to get the answers to that question. In the meantime, everybody have a wonderful day, be safe, and take care.